The holiday season is a good time to catch up with friends, and there's no better way of doing that than by sending a Christmas greeting card as a video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access hundreds of pre-built greeting templates that you can use in Final Cut Pro. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to access hundreds of 2020 Christmas and New Year 2021 images that are free to download. And I'll also show you how to add these to the free to download opener templates that will make great greeting holiday videos. I'm Bruce Macbryde, and my goal is to improve your knowledge and to speed up your workflow in Final Cut. I can provide you training online. Just click in the link below. There are many different sites that you can access greeting card templates, and these are great to get professional looking cards that you can personalize yourself. I'm just going to show you two of these sites. The first is Motion Array's Christmas greeting titles. When you download these, they become available in your titles index, which is at the top left of your browser. The second site I want to show you is the Envito site. These provide a much more complete greeting card effect, and you can add your own text details to the presets where it says Christmas text. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. In the meantime, I want to show you how to access free images and greeting card templates that will allow you to easily make your own cards with your own personalized text. And the first site for free openers is Simple Video Making. We'll use these in a minute with the free Christmas images that I'm about to show you how to download, and these come from Video Easy. I'll show you how to combine these free Christmas images with the openers to create your own greeting card look. This process will also show you how to use the purchase templates if you decide to go down that path. So let's create a personalized greeting card. I've created a new project. The first thing we're going to do is to import into the timeline the Christmas image, and we'll use the E key, and then we'll go to our titles and we will select the opener that we're going to use. So we're going to select this opener here and we'll drag that on top of the other image. Let's just zoom into the timeline now. We're going to change the text in that image to Merry Christmas. So selecting it and coming over to the inspector, we can type in here Merry Christmas. And we'll change the font, and also on that font we'll put a drop shadow and just distance that drop shadow a little more. So there's the adjusted Merry Christmas image. Now we're going to add our own personalized text, and we'll come back to the titles here and we'll select the in and out, and let's use fade in, and we'll put our own words in there. And there it is there, wishing you the best of the season from our family to yours. You put in whatever text you want to in there. And now I'm going to use another opener at the end of this. So we'll go back to titles and we'll select the titles here, and we just need to change that one to Merry Christmas as well. And there's the closer there. So this is the total greeting card. And here are some other openers using the Christmas images as backgrounds, and the text being's changed on these for you as well, just to give you an example of something that you can do. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.